Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing and review of the iWownFit i6 HR C Smartband. Alright, so I've done a review on the previous version of this, and this is the updated version that I'm going to be reviewing. So let's do the unboxing. It comes in a package just like this, nice and small. Okay, let's open it up. And I got the black band, and it also comes with another band along with it. So it comes with this purple one as well, and then I got the original black one right here. There's also, you know, the standard manual and a contact card. So right off the bat, the i6 HRC, the updated version, has a color display, and the band is also updated as well. So the previous band on the i6 HR, it had a, it's like this. It was like a band like this where you can easily, you know, clip it in and take it off. But the updated one has more of a standard like watch strap. And I will say that, you know, I've been wearing this for about 2 months, and I like this strap better because it doesn't come off and it doesn't snag as easily as the other one. So the previous version that I had, when I would wear it, I liked this because, you know, it was easy to clip on, very fast to clip on, but sometimes it would get stuck on like my shirt or my necklace, and it would come off. Like it would just flip off really easily, and it would just fall on the ground. Now this one actually has a hole here. The other one did not, and when it would get caught and it would get pulled, it would just like fall on the ground. And, you know, good thing I didn't lose it, but because I always, you know, realized that it came off, but it was a lot easier for it to just be pulled off. Now with this, I didn't have any problems with that on this version because it is like a watch. So you just strap it on, you know, put it through, and then you have the two straps here that are going to hold it in place like a regular watch strap. I will say that I do like that, you know, it is a watch strap, but I wish that it was a little bit thinner for my preference. I wish that, you know, it was a little bit thinner for me. But overall, it was fine, and I like that it doesn't get pulled off anymore. So like I said, it does have a color display, and it does show you, you know, your steps, the time, the temperature, your heart rate, you know, the calories, the distance. It does all of the same things that it previously did. Another plus to the i6 HRC updated version is that the battery lasts a lot longer than the previous version. This one lasts pretty solidly for about a week with a full charge, and it's actually really fast at charging. The previous version, I had to charge it maybe every 3 days or so. It wasn't hard to charge it, but it was just annoying that, you know, I had to keep charging it more frequently. It's the same type of charging system where you don't have a strap. So this is just, you know, put into the strap like this, and you take it out just by removing it like this. And this is the whole unit right here, and you can go ahead and plug this into a USB port. So you can plug this into a USB port on your laptop like I have here, or you can grab a wall adapter and then just put it in just like this. Now it doesn't take very long for it to charge at all and get fully charged. It's pretty fast, and this one lasts, like I said, pretty solidly for about a week. Now it's going to be a little bit different depending on if you have a whole bunch of alarms set, and if you have it synced up to your messages. If you get a lot of messages like I do, then, you know, you're going to get a lot of the vibration and notifications. So I like that there's no wire and that you can just literally just plug this into a USB port and you don't have to remember to bring the cord around anywhere. And then you basically just take, you know, the little unit here, and there's a hole here on the strap, and you just put that in there, and then you just clip it around and it fits in nicely, and then you just wear it like a watch. The app that goes along with this has been updated from the previous version, and the updated version is much better, looks a lot cleaner, looks more professional. You can basically set everything within the app here, the time, the messages, notifications. You know, if you're sitting too long, you can set a reminder. I use the alarm features. You can basically control the whole watch through the app as well. This is also waterproof. I do wear it in the shower, but you do need to take note that when you, if you're using it in the water, taking a shower or whatever, that water will get inside, and it's fine, it's okay, it doesn't damage it. It's just this part will be like a little bit wet. So make sure that, you know, you obviously dry that before you stick it into the USB port. And just after, when I'm taking a shower and, you know, I'm blow drying my hair, I'll just, you know, take these two pieces out, set it on the side, and it quickly dries. Or you don't have to put it in the shower at all. So this will give you a notification if you are getting a call, but you can't actually take the call through the phone. You can dismiss the call and just sort of like turn off the ringer. So it's cool that it lets me know that I am getting a call, but I can't answer it through the watch. So like I said, I've been using this pretty much every day for the last 2 months, and there are certain features that I do use on it. So I use obviously the watch feature, so the time, the weather. I like that it tells me right now is 28 degrees right now and it's really sunny. We're going through a heat wave right now. We're here in Vancouver, Canada. I like that it tells me the date, obviously the steps. I mainly got this as a step counter. I just wanted to know how many steps I was getting per day, and I didn't necessarily wanted to use my phone, because when you use the step counter on your phone, you have to hold your phone, and this is a lot bigger than this, and this I could just wear on my wrist. And I didn't want to spend so much like on a Fitbit or on an Apple Watch. I also use the alarm function, so instead of setting an alarm on my phone, I set it through the app on alarm/schedule, and this will give me a vibration on my wrist, which I much prefer than, you know, the alarm going off and the sound kind of sort of shockingly waking me up. I also use the reminder that tells you when you've been sitting down for too long and you need to get up and start moving. So I'm on the computer all the time. Most of the time I'm sitting when I'm doing work. So this is a friendly reminder that I need to get up and stretch, go to the washroom, move my legs, get the circulation going. And I also use this for the messages notification. So it will let you know when you get a bunch of different kinds of messages. So right now I'm actually receiving a call from my sister, and I can long press it to ignore the call, which I just did, and it told me that I got a missed call from my sister. So it does a little vibration and it lets you know that you're receiving a call. So there are a couple of things that I think can be improved. Like I mentioned, the strap, for me personally, the design I think could be a little bit thinner. The messages, when you receive them, they are, if you see here, this is like, you know, it's a vertical squished thing. So when you receive your messages, you know, there's only like 2 or 3 words that can happen in one line before it has to go to the next. So you can get the gist of your message and, you know who it's from and just like a little bit of it, but obviously you can't read full messages and it breaks them up into different pages. So it's more of like a notification that there is a message and that, you know, you can't really be reading like a whole bunch of stuff on here. Also be aware that it can get easily scratched. I did get a small scratch here on the top left hand corner, and on my previous version I did as well. And you know, it's to be expected because I'm using this all the time, every day. you know, when I'm out and about doing adventures, whether I'm working out or I'm out filming or doing whatever. It would have been cool if they made it so that it was like scratch resistant, or if it, you know, a material that wasn't so easily scratched. Or if it can be encased somehow, you know, in the strap, if the design were a little bit different. But despite those things, overall, I do recommend this as a Smartband fitness watch if you are not wanting to break the bank, but you want something that's going to tell the time, give you a fitness tracker, give you an alarm, allow you to get notifications of messages, heart rate monitor. Like, it does a lot for the price, and I believe you can get this for less than 50 bucks in Canada, and I believe it is $39.99 in the US. And you know, this is a lot cheaper for what it does compared to like a Fitbit or an Apple Watch. So this band works for me. I wear it every day. You know, I try to get to 10,000 steps a day. And you know, this is just does exactly what I need it to do. So I'm pretty happy with it. So that is my review of the iWownFit i6 HR C Smartband watch. If you guys are interested in getting one of these, you guys can head down to the description below, as I will have the links for you guys. Alright guys, well thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Back from the dead.